Hey guys, and welcome back to Chloe Kid Art. Today, we will be drawing a cartoony pizza. Welcome back. Today, we will be drawing a pizza. So what you need for this is you need a piece of paper, a pencil, and maybe a black marker to outline. And then, of course, you need some things to color with. Alright, so you can start in pencil, but I'm going to start in marker because I need you guys to be able to see it. So first, we're going to start by making our pizza shape. So you can start like near the top of your paper, sort of like here, and just come down to a point. Then you're going to do the same thing on this side. Come down to that same point. Make sure they're about the same size. Okay, so now you can connect them and make the crust. So it's like this. So once they're connected, you can add this on top. Okay, so the next step, my pizza is going to be a pepperoni pizza. So I'm going to add the pepperonis. So I'm going to start here, and make a pepperoni here. Might add one here. And then that's good. And this is going to be a cartoony pizza. We're going to add a face. So let's start with some big round eyes. And then to make it look more cartoony, we'll add some half circles up here at the top. And then we can color in around the half circles like this. Okay, now we can add a cute little mouth right here. And you might want to add a little line on top of it. And then you can add a little nose. Alright, so now that's pretty much your pizza. Now we're going to color it, and everything looks better once you color. So I'm going to show you how it looks once it's colored. That's it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!